Hi everyone and welcome to Depicter. We have this shop website and we want to prepare it for Christmas. Stay with me as I do so and you'll be amazed. The first step is installing the Depicter plugin. In WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New Plugin. Search for Depicter, then install and activate it. Big surprise for you! You can be the winner of Depicter's 100% discount if you're the first one to click on the link in the description. If you're our lucky winner, leave a comment to let us know. And if you're not, don't worry about it. We have more surprises like this in the future, so don't miss out our upcoming videos. Now, back to business. In Depicter dashboard, head to Templates and click on the New Year and Christmas category. Choose a template, import it, and whenever you're ready, hit Publish. In your website's home, click on Edit with Elementor. Delete the existing slider and add the Depicter widget instead. Select the slider that you created and hit Publish. Go ahead and preview your website. I really like what I'm seeing. Let's say you have a special offer for the new year and you'd like to drive more focus on that. Adding a pop-up and sticky bar is your go-to solution. Let's go ahead and add both to our website. In Depicter dashboard, go to Templates and choose the New Year and Christmas category. Depicter has various beautiful pop-up and sticky bar matching sets. Choose one and start by importing the sticky bar and publish it. Get back to Depicter dashboard and import the matching sets pop-up. Hit Publish and this time click on Open Display Rules to adjust the pop-up to appear when the visitor has scrolled to half the page. Head to Triggers and enable the scroll percentage and set the percentage to 50%. Hit Publish now. Let's go and see the result. The sticky bar sure looks festive. And check this out, the pop-up appeared right when I reached half the page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Alright, that's it everyone. Take care.